Welcome student. In this video lecture we learn DBMS keys. DBMS keys is an attribute or set of attributes which help us to uniquely identify a row in a relation. It is also allowed us to find the relation between two tables. Suppose in this table employee, under name column Rebecca is twice. So name cannot be a key. Similarly, might be possible two or more than two employees getting same salary. So we cannot consider salary as a key. But EMP-ID always unique. So EMP-ID is a key. Similarly, contact and email ID can be a key. Types of keys are super key, candidate key, primary key, alternate key and foreign key. Super key. All the possible combination of attributes or set of attributes which help to uniquely identify a row in a relation called super key. More than one super key can be possible in a relation. Super key is a superset of all keys except foreign key. That is, all keys are super keys except foreign keys. Here in the table employee, super keys are EMP-ID, contact, email ID, combination of EMP-ID and name, combination of EMP-ID, name, salary and email ID, so on are the super keys. Candidate key. The minimal set of attribute which can uniquely identify a tuple is known as candidate key. More than one candidate key can be possible in a relation. Here in the table employee, candidate keys are EMP-ID, contact and email ID. Primary key. There can be more than one candidate key in a relation, out of which one can be chosen as primary key. There is one and only one primary key in a relation. If set of more than one attribute in a primary key known as composite primary key. Here in the table employee, the most appropriate attribute for primary key is EMP-ID. Alternate key. The candidate key other than primary key are called alternate key. That is, except primary key, all other candidate keys are alternate key. More than one alternate key can be possible in a relation. Here in the table, employee, EMP-ID is a primary key, so contact and email ID are alternate keys. Foreign key. A non-key attribute derived from primary key column of another table is called foreign key. It maintains the referential integrity in the table. That is, take values that are already present in the parent table primary key attribute. Here in the leave record table, EMP-ID is derived from EMP-ID of employee table. So, EMP-ID is a foreign key. It is possible an employee can take many leaves. So, value under foreign key can be repeat. But no value under foreign key can be possible whose existence not in parent table column. So this record is not acceptable by RDBMS. This is the figure that help you to understand the concept of DBMS keys. So friends, I am winding up this video lecture. In case of any doubt, let me in comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.